Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you JSON data in JavaScript. JSON stands for JavaScript object notation. Suppose variable x curly double braces. This is object. We can see here control dot log type of x and we're gonna test. This is object, type is object, and in JavaScript that is object. If we do a string, that is string and the string is string. So we can copy this. Suppose date. We need to parse the JSON string. JSON dot parse to make this JavaScript object. Text z JSON string JSON string. This is JSON string. This is JavaScript object. Type is string, and string, type is object, and object. We can set more data. In JSON string, we'll set the data as a property with key and value. Suppose name, and its value is job. We're gonna test. This is string and this is string object in JavaScript and in JSON formatted data. Can we pass this JavaScript object to another server, server to server, or server to client, or client to server? The object we can pass, but string we can pass. So we'll pass the JSON string, JSON formatted data to another server, or to client side, or client side to server. Very easy way. But object we never can pass. So to make the API, we need the JSON string or JSON formatted data. We'll pass this and we'll retrieve and convert this the JSON string to the object, JavaScript object or any other object. That's not matter. We can convert the string to the object very easy way and can retrieve. How can we retrieve? Suppose this is the object. We retrieve error as JavaScript object, and you can see here name. We're gonna test John. Suppose multiple data wanna pass in an array, and Here we pass the array, so we need an array and its index is 0. We're gonna test. John we got, and we're gonna show the all data. Array in index 0 name John, index 1 Smith. You can set here address, suppose New York. Address California. So string we make well formatted JSON, so that we can convert this easily to the JavaScript object. Otherwise, that is not well formatted JSON data. Address New York. The JSON data will write with key values here. First one is name and second one is value. First one is name and second one is value. The key will write into double quote and followed by value. If we need in an object more data, we will add key and its value. If we need more objects, this one and this one, this is object, then we need array, and the full is a string. The string we can pass to the remote server or to the client side, from server to client side, or server to another server. Very easy way to make API. We need the JSON formatted data, and we will retrieve the JSON formatted data to make the, by passing data to another server or client side. We can convert to the JSON object very easily. Thanks for watching this tutorial.